Assalamualaikum my all friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are doing well, and the recent model that I had taught you and I had completed as well, model number 28. And in that model I had taught you that I will be able to do this work. मैं ये काम कर सकूँगा, मुझे कोई नहीं मार सकेगा. Nobody will be able to hit me or beat me. So this is the model that I had taught you in my previous class. I hope you all may have watched that model and you all may have learned a little bit. So today I will teach you about model number 29. So I will request you guys that please watch this video till the end. It will not only benefit me but also will boost my confidence that more number of people are watching my YouTube channel. So I would like to request my all subscribers, who have subscribed this channel, please watch my all video that I upload every day or maybe after 2 days, whatever. Please watch my short as well. It is my humble request to all of you. I need your support. Without your support, you all know that my channel can never be grown and it can never be monetized as well. So I need your support. It is my humble request to all of you. So today I will teach you about model number 29. So let's start. So it will start with subject. Subject, then would. Plus love, like, plus to, plus verb 1 plus object. Subject would plus love plus like plus to plus verb 1 plus object. So how will we be able to recognize this model and assemble this of model? Okay, so at the end of the sentence, you will find this word चाहूंगा. Okay, as I taught you चाहिए था, but I did not teach you चाहूंगा. So today I will teach you this model, would like to. So let's take an example and how we can make it. मैं जाना चाहूंगा. Simple. I would like, or we can use love as well, no matter. I would like to. I would like to go. मैं जाना चाहूँगा. If we try to make this sentence in negative way, मैं नहीं जाना चाहूँगा. I would not. We will add not. I would not like to go. मैं नहीं जाना चाहूँगा. And if we try to make this sentence in an interrogative way, क्या मैं जाना चाहूँगा? Would I love to go. क्या मैं जाना चाहूँगा? And if we try to make this sentence in main interrogative way, suppose आप कहाँ जाना चाहोगे? So simple. We will add where. Where would, then subject you. Where would you like to go or where would you love to go? आप कहाँ जाना चाहेंगे? So we can make lot of sentence, okay, and we can practice it by ourselves. So मैं यहाँ रहना चाहूँगा. I would like to stay here. आप क्या करना चाहोगे? What would you like to go? What would you like to do? आप किससे मिलना चाहोगे? Whom would you like to meet? वो यहाँ क्यों आना चाहेगी? Why would she like to come here? आप खाने में क्या खाना चाहोगे? What would you like to eat in dinner? आप पानी पीना चाहोगे या फिर चाय पीना चाहोगे? Would you like to have a cup of tea or a glass of water? So this is how we can practice would like to and love to. I hope you all may have learned and you all may have enjoyed this model number 29 as well. So this is end of the class, guys, and one more time I would like to request that please watch my all videos, okay, till the end. And so if you want to learn English, you need to do practice. And I have repeated this sentence, maybe I'm not sure, but so many times, maybe unlimited times. So practice what makes a man perfect. If we do practice regularly, so it will not only improve our English but also will give us some confidence, will give us some sign of hope that we can also speak English like a pro. So we need to work hard, and not only we need to work hard, but we need to work smart as well. Working hard sometimes does not benefit, sometimes does not work, but working in a smart way, like most of the time it benefits. So we should try to start work smart, and we should try to think high about our career as well. So this is my official YouTube channel, Learn English with Tanveer. You all can subscribe my channel, and very soon I will see you in my upcoming next video, model number 13. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself, take care of your parents as well, and you all have a wonderful day. Bye. Thank you.